Myself, Kumar Saurav. I am from Vaishali Bihar. I am completed my Bachelor's of Engineering Electronics and Communication from Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology in 2023. After that, one of my family friends suggest me about Evision. That Evision provide on-job training platform. When I enroll Evision, I have learned new different types of things like virtualization, Windows administration, CCNA, and networking. After completion of training, I have got a job opportunity from Progressive Infotech at a package of 2.5 LPA. Uh, and thank you to the support staff of Evision who can support me whenever I face any problem regarding any type of technical issue or any type of thing. That's all. Thank you, Evision, for supporting me, for getting a good job.